Okay, you all happy one Saturday evening. And Coco is, yeah, look at the camera. Coco is going to do her Amazon unboxing. Aren't you, Coco? You want to show them what you got? I had to go ahead and get this recorded because she knows this is her. Yeah, she knows. She knows this is hers, and she was ready to rip this bag open. So let's open it and see what Coco got. Let's see what Coco got. Okay. Wow. Oh, these are the big bags. These are big. These are the big bags. She loves these. She loves the pepperoni. Now she also, and this is made by Farina. I think it is. Let's see. Let's see. This feels like. Okay, let's see. I know she. Yeah, these your snacks. You never open it on. Y'all see her little nose. Y'all see her little. These your snacks, Coco. These your snacks. Y'all mind. Let's see what you got in here, Coco. I'm gonna bring this down some. Y'all see her little head? Okay, let's see what we got in here. Is it a mix? No, these is, yeah, she likes these. Here, you ready for pepperoni? A pepperoni. You don't want your pepperoni? I'm gonna put it in her, these the pepperoni. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in her, I make small pieces. I'll put it in her little snack bowl. I'm gonna put it in there. She just had a little snack. She loves her a slice of cheese. She loves everything from Publix. So she has her cheese. She likes sharp and extra sharp. And and she likes her turkey. So she just has some of that. And plus she has her some fresh water, and tell her what else you got. Oh, I got me some yummy. She got her, she likes her dry food. She don't like the canned food. So, she has the, it's called Whole Heart. Yeah, Whole Heart. It's a very good brand. And, she loves it. She loves it. I think that's the beans and rice flavor that she has right there. You know what? I thought, now I know I ordered two. I guess the other one is coming tomorrow. Yeah, some more treats to Okay, y'all. Thanks for watching, y'all. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you be notified when I'm dropping the video. What you gonna tell them, Coco? You gonna tell them bye? Are you gonna tell them bye? Yes, I guess. I guess I tell them bye. Bye, 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 bye. Tell them bye, bye, Coco. Say bye. Bye, y'all. Bye. Oh shit, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, what am I doing? What am I thinking? Let's see, y'all. Okay. Okay, y'all. This is one of the. I bought a new clicker. Okay. But I don't have my Bluetooth on my phone. Otherwise, oh, let's see. Okay, I'm back, y'all. We back in business. So y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification so you'll be notified when me and Coco are dropping new videos. Bye, babes.